We are currently at 5716 Pernod Avenue. We pushed in the camera from the basement cleanout all the way out to the trap in the backyard. The sewer does go out the backyard. Now we're going to pull back so you can see the repair we did and the condition of the pipe. This is schedule 6-inch 35 plastic. We will pull back into schedule 40 4-inch plastic. This is the beginning of our repair. We took out the 4-inch cast iron and replaced it with 4-inch plastic. Schedule 40. This first Y goes to a floor drain out in the areaway in the backyard. The second Y here also goes into a floor drain inside the basement because there's going to be another one right away. This Y goes to a laundry standpipe in the basement. This is the clean out inside the basement that we pushed it through.